Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power to the router and modem. This clears transient faults and often fixes a red light. Once unplugged, wait a full 30 seconds to discharge capacitors, then reconnect the modem first and let it sync, then plug in the router. Make sure you have your router model and admin credentials ready because you may need to log in next. If the red light persists after a full power cycle, you're ready to move into configuration checks and ports testing. Now you inspect physical links and the router's configuration because a faulty cable or bad WAN IP causes that red indicator. First, swap cables and test each LAN and WAN port with a working Ethernet lead. If a port is dead, the device may need repair. Then log into the router's admin page to view firmware, connection type, and WAN IP. No IP equals upstream failure. If settings are wrong, correct them. If corruption is suspected, perform a factory reset and reconfigure. This often resolves persistent. Finish by isolating the fault. Connect a different router or use a mobile hotspot to confirm whether the issue is your device or the ISP line. If the red light remains only on the original router, it's likely hardware. Document LED patterns and export logs if possible. Then contact your ISP or manufacturer, share the logs and serial number, and request a replacement or line check. If troubleshooting fails, remember one tip: factory reset. Test with known good parts, and only then request RMA or technician dispatch.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.